Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a tool rental service and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your service, you've definitely come to the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a simple website for your tool rental service. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, MultiSites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles. You can literally launch your own websites in less than 1 minute for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top, search for our market, tool rental service. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our business name, as well as our city and our state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the MultiSites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you've put in the information, click on continue. MultiSites will automatically generate a simple website for your business and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images, maybe of some of the various tools you rent out to your customers. Maybe you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content, make it a little bit more personalized to your business, but perhaps you don't offer all these products for rental. You want to change it up a bit. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding. Be a web professional in any kind of way, and you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. Let's click on the first section at the top. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. So let's go ahead and check that box. Awesome. Phone number is click to call. And physical location, maybe you want to leave it off. Maybe you are a mobile business, but if not, pop it in over here. When your website's live, your customers can click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. And update social links is where you can put in your various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once you've done so, you can click on that pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. If you'd like to change the colors used throughout your websites, all you need to do is click on that little paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner. No color coding needed at all. Literally just select the color palette that suits your business best. For each section you want to make a bit more personalized, click on the update section button, head on over to update image. This is where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through the photo library. We've got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos from your profile. Under update action, we have the call to action buttons where we can change the text on those buttons and where the buttons link to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe with all the various tools you offer and a little bit more on the rates, the daily or weekly rates in PDF formats. In the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form. Customers can easily reach out to you here, keep track of all your leads in your Multi dashboard. If you have a custom domain, you can easily connect it by clicking on that yellow button at the bottom, connect your domain. If you don't have a domain yet for your business, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You actually have the option to purchase a custom domain via our platform as well. Really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your tool rental service, and I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success.